focus, and we talk about when it comes to the onset of the Navratri festival, former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's all set to vacate Sheesh Mahal, and this is coming at a time while his former deputy Manish Sisodia is also vacating his bungalow in Mathura Road and moved to the MP bungalow allotted to the Aam Aadmi Party MP Harbhajan Singh at Rajendra Prasad Road. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party national convener will be moving to the Feroz Shah Road bungalow of Ashok Mittal. The party's Rajya Sabha MP from Punjab after vacating the CM house at Civil Lines. Mittal saying that he is looking forward to learning from Arvind Kejriwal and thanked him for choosing to live at his bungalow.
व दिल्ली के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने जब कुछ दिन पहले अपने पद से मुख्यमंत्री के पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया तो मुझे कुछ समय बाद पता लगा कि उनके पास तो रहने के लिए कोई घर ही नहीं है। फिर मैंने उनको निमंत्रण दिया कि आप मेरे पास मेरे दिल्ली के घर में मेरे मेहमान के तौर पे आके रहिएगा, मुझे खुशी होगी। पार्टी के और कार्यकर्ताओं ने भी और नेताओं ने भी उनको शायद ऐसा ही निमंत्रण दिया, लेकिन अब मुझे पता लगा और खुशी हुई मुझे ये पता लगने पर कि माननीय श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने मेरे घर का चुनाव किया है और मेरे साथ रहने का फैसला किया है जब तक कि उनको कोई और घर नहीं मिल जाता।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने जेल से निकलते ही अनाउंस किया कि मैं तब तक मुख्यमंत्री के पद पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता की अदालत में मैं इस अग्नि परीक्षा को ना पास कर लूं। और उस समय उन्होंने बोला था श्राद्ध चल रहे हैं, जैसे ही श्राद्ध खत्म होंगे मैं एक नए आवास में शिफ्ट होऊंगा।
Well, BJP on the other hand is alleging Aam Aadmi Party's hypocrisy and questioning that why Sisodia and Kejriwal have vacated one official bungalow only to move to another bungalow that have been officially allotted to other MPs.
शीश महल ने उनके अंदर के ख्वाबों को जिस तरीके से शीशे की तरह साफ कर दिया है, अब वो कुछ भी कर लें, मुझे लगता है अब वो बात बनने वाली नहीं है, क्योंकि वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जो एक साधारण सी टी शर्ट पहन के रेनॉल्ड का पेन लगाकर चलते थे, उनके शीश महल में 1 करोड़ रुपए की लागत के पर्दे लगे थे।
कंगना रनौत ने इंस्टाग्राम पे लिखा है 2 अक्टूबर को कि देश के पिता नहीं होते लाल होते हैं, कांग्रेस इसके बारे।
Well, Pradeep is with us right now. Pradeep, the BJP raising the question, saying and asking that what difference does it actually make shifting from one bungalow to another?
Yes, Amita, you are absolutely right. In fact, today Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, will be getting new dress. He'll be moving towards 5 Feroz Shah. As you rightly said, this is the bungalow allotted to Member Parliament from Punjab, Ashok Mittal. And Ashok Mittal said that he's very happy that Arvind Kejriwal will be moving to his residence and will be living as his guest. But BJP is trying to remind Arvind Kejriwal that this is not really going to work. This is not going to change the viewpoint. Reason being that how crores of rupees are spent on Sheesh Mahal, because he's the same Arvind Kejriwal who used to move wearing T-shirt and with Renault pen and used to promise that he's going to live an austere lifestyle. How things really changed, that he spent crores of rupees in renovation of a bungalow, and that too at a time when the people were suffering because of COVID. So shifting from one official bungalow towards another official bungalow is not really going to change his image. But on the other hand, Arvind Kejriwal is preparing for the campaigning because he says that he is going to get the certificate of honesty from the people during the assembly election whenever it will be held. So he will start campaigning, and this new residence is just few meters away from the Aam Aadmi Party office, so he'll be putting up there, and from there he will kickstart his campaign. And on the first day of Navratra, he will be shifting because it is seen as an auspicious occasion, and somebody must have told him that this is the best time to shift, and that's what actually he is doing. But yes, the politics over this issue will continue. People will keep on asking him questions, especially already BJP has started hitting out at him, saying that this is not really going to make a difference, because this way, if he thinks that he's going to change his image, people have seen that how this man who had promised something before becoming chief minister while he was leading.
Well, is he truly an Aam Aadmi as far as the BJP raising questions and saying and calling out his hypocrisy, asking that what difference does it really make, as from one Sheesh Mahal he's shifting to another bungalow? Not only him, even when it comes to his former deputy Manish Sisodia. Let's listen into more reactions from the BJP.
सर, अरविंद केजरीवाल जो है अपना सरकारी मकान छोड़ेंगे इस्तीफे के बाद, और आम आदमी पार्टी के सांसद हैं अशोक मित्तल, उनके घर पे ही 5 फिरोशा रोड पे कल शिफ्ट होंगे।
देखो ऐसा ना कि पहाड़ से गिरे खजूर पेट के। अभी इन्होंने कहा था कि हम सरकारी मकान से जाएंगे, किराए के मकान छोटे से जाएंगे। अब सरकारी मकान से निकले और दूसरे सरकारी मकान में पहुंच गए और उससे भी बड़े में पहुंच गए।
Right. So that has been the reactions coming on part of the BJP side, raising questions on hypocrisy and double standards of the Aam Aadmi Party. Pradeep Datta, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.